When you're trying to travel in style, the last thing you want to do is reach for an outfit and find out it's full of wrinkles. Travel garment bags give you the ability to keep your nice clothes wrinkle-free and neat, so whether you're traveling for business or leisure, you can still look like $1,000,000. They're the perfect way to keep everything organized for a short trip, but there are so many on the market that it can be super difficult to decide which one is the best. There are many products available to choose from best travel garment bags, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best travel garment bags from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Zucker Suit Carry-On Garment Bag for Travel. Whether you're heading to New York for a business trip or preparing for an exciting weekend in Dublin, the Zucker Suit Carry-On Garment Bag is a great companion. Made from a fire-resistant 1800E polyester, the garment bag is EVA foam padded and has an elegantly imprinted full interior lining. The interior has several zipper pockets along with a Velcro pocket, while the exterior has a convenient pocket that allows for easy access to things like your phone and wallet, which makes it one of the best carry-on garment bag options available for nearly every airline. Not only can the bag hold up to 3 suits or dresses, but you'll have more than enough room for things like shoes, ties, belts, and toiletries. This garment bag can be easily transported thanks to the top carrying handle, the adjustable and detachable shoulder strap, and its ability to attach to your luggage. The classic look perfect for both women and men, it's easy to see why so many people think this is the best travel garment bag. Number 2. Modica Convertible Garment Bag with Shoulder Strap. It's hard to argue with this being one of the best garment bags for traveling. When used as a hanging garment bag, the bag measures 37.5 x 20.8 and has space for your garment, as well as interior pockets for things like ties and small electronics. When using it as a duffel, it has a 45-liter capacity and measures 22.8 x 11 x 11.8. There's one side pocket for things like your passport and keys and another pocket that's designed for both business and travel shoes. The detachable shoulder strap and back flap design that allows it to attach to your luggage are additional conveniences that make the Modica Convertible Garment Bag one of the best rated garment bags available. Number 3. Traveler's Choice Rolling Garment Bag. Traveler's Choice has successfully created one of the best rolling garment bags available. The inline skate wheels allow for simple maneuverability, while also being corner protected. The bag has a 1200D two-tone polyester construction with a front panel that's EVA reinforced. In addition to the collapsible handle, the top carry handle makes it easy to lift, and there's a center strap that's built to carry an extra item like a travel briefcase. The interior has a spacious main compartment that includes tie straps to keep items secure. Inside are multiple mesh pockets and an inside center hook that allows you to store multiple suites or blouses, while the exterior has several gusseted pockets. The spacious bag measures 233 x 223, 443 opened, x 73, and the fold-out design helps to reduce wrinkles in your garments. With everything this bag has to offer, it's safe to say this is one of the best garment bags for business travel. Number 4. Protoni 443 Carry-On Garment Bag. Looking for one of the best travel garment bags for suits? Your search ends here. Not only will this garment bag keep your suits organized and looking good for your trip, but it has enough storage for everything else you might need for a short weekend trip. The Protoni 443 Carry-On Garment Bag measures 44 x 24 x 1.5 and is constructed with a reinforced polyester that's PVC lined to help with waterproofing. The bag easily fits 3 full suits and shirts, and there are 3 tied-down straps to prevent movement. There are several interior pockets to hold your accessories, along with multiple exterior pockets. 2 of the exterior pockets are deep and designed for larger items like shoes, while there are 2 other front pockets created to hold things like your portable laptop, newspaper, passport, and money belt. There's also a pass-through strap for your luggage handle. Protoni sends each of their bags through a quality check, so you can ensure you're getting a great product when you choose the Protoni 443 Carry-On Garment Bag. Number 5. Amazon Basics Premium Garment Bag. The Amazon Basics Premium Garment Bag is a must-have for frequent travelers and those who love to be organized. The interior of this garment bag has enough space for up to 3 dresses or suites, while still allowing plenty of room for shoes, ties, belts, and toiletries. 2 tie-down straps help to keep your garment secure. The interior has several mesh zipper pockets that offer great airflow, add extra storage, and make it super simple to find your items. The bag's exterior front pocket includes a deluxe organizer designed for things like pens, pads of paper, and even your Bluetooth headphones. The individual pockets mean everything can have a place, and it's easy to keep everything neat. Without clothing, the bag weighs 2.2 pounds and measures 40 x 20.5 x 4 when unfolded. In addition to the short loop handle, the bag also includes an adjustable and removable shoulder strap for easy carrying. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.